In the last episode, which was quite a while ago, I finished off the engine assembly and chassis as well and combined the two. In this one, I'm going to move on with part of the interior and also a lot of the engine bay. It's going to be a bit of a mix and match, moving from parts to piece and going back then to the interior to the engine bay and so forth, as that is simply the way that it needs to be assembled, and some parts need to be assembled first before they could go into the bigger piece, if you know what I mean. Now, I'm not really going to do any voiceover on these videos anymore, at least on this type of video, as it's pretty self-explanatory, and I think that it's a lot more enjoyable than me rambling on top of it about things that are pretty obvious, and instead we'll just let you see what I'm doing. And if you're building this one, you can simply just follow along with the instructions yourself and not as much have me tell you which part is what and then get it wrong, which would probably be a little bit more funny for you guys. Instead, just enjoy the process and the assembly. Now, if you do want me to do full voiceover on these videos as well, let me know down in the comments below and I'll try it again on the next episode or a different build. But I will need your input for that. If you enjoy it like this, also let me know. If you want voiceover, again, let me know. Leave a comment down below, and the input is much appreciated. Just to finally quickly mention, this is a kit that was gifted to me by Ixocollections. They have a couple of other collections going on as well, and I'm working on the Porsche 917 at the moment too, and also have started work on the Alpine A110. There's a couple of other interesting kits they have offered as well on their website, Ixocollections.com. I will be leaving links in the description to some of the tools, and of course Ixocollections as well if you're interested. And with that, part 3 of the Volvo Amazon build is now completed. In the next episode, I will probably be starting on some of the body panels, maybe some of the interior headliner, door panels, and that kind of thing, but it will come to completion pretty soon from here. If you're interested in the tools that I've used, I will be leaving links in the description. And also, again, thank you Ixocollections for sending me this kit. Their website will be listed in the description too. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys next time, and please let me know what kind of voiceover you want on these types of videos. I'm not talking about the scale modeling videos where I paint, assemble, and build stuff. More so these monthly packs of these assembly type models.